Reaching the age of adolescence. Adolescence is the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity. Generally, adolescence begins at the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of age. Adolescents are also called teenagers because they cover the period of teens, 13 to 18 or 19 years of age. Puberty, the period of adolescence during which an adolescent reaches sexual maturity, becomes able to have children. Changes at puberty. During puberty, sudden increase in height takes place. This happens due to elongation of long bones of legs and arms, and girls grow faster than boys about 18 years of age. Both reach their maximum height. The rate of growth in height varies in different individuals. Height of an individual, male or female, depends on the genes inherited from parents. However, right kind of food during growing years is also essential. Calculation for full height centimeter. The average rate of growth in the height of boys and girls with age given in chart help in calculating full height of the individual. Age in years: 8 years for boys, 72% of full height, and girls 77% of full height. 9 years 75 81, 10 years 78 84, 11 81 88, 12 84 91, 13 88 95, 14 92 98, 15 95 99, 16 98 99, 17 99 100, 1800 100. Calculation for full height. Present height in centimeter divided by percent of full height at this age into 100. Boys develop larger voice boxes called as larynx to form a protruding part of throat called as Adam's apple. Boys have deep voice. In girls, larynx is hardly visible. They have pitched voice. Change in body shape. In boys at the age of puberty, shoulders generally broaden as a result of growth. In boys, the muscles of the body grow prominently than in the girls. In girls, the region below the waist becomes wider. The muscles also comparatively grow less. The secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands increases during puberty. Development of sex organs: in males, testes and penis develop completely. Testis starts producing sperms. In girls, ovaries enlarge and eggs begin to mature. Ovaries start releasing mature eggs. At puberty, individuals reach mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Secondary sexual character, such as development of breast in girls, mustaches and beard in boys, begin to develop. These characters that help in distinguishing the males from the females are called secondary sexual characters. Boys also develop hair on their chest. Hormones. Hormones are chemical substances secreted by endocrine glands. They are also known as ductless glands. These glands release hormones directly into the bloodstream to reach a particular body part known as target site. Hormones control the changes that occur at adolescence. The male hormone called as testosterone is secreted by the testes at the onset of puberty and causes development of facial hair, chest hair. At the onset of puberty in girls, ovaries secrete female hormone or estrogen, which makes the breast develop. Their secretion is under the pituitary endocrine gland. Reproductive phase lasts for a much longer time in males than in females. The uterine wall in females prepares itself to receive the developing fertilized egg. In case there is no fertilization, the thickened lining of the uterine wall breaks down and goes out along with blood. This bleeding in women is called as menstruation, which occurs once in every 28 to 30 days. Menarche. The first menstrual flow, which begins at puberty, is known as menarche. Menopause. At 45 to 50 years of age, the menstruation cycle stops. Stoppage of menstruation is known as menopause. Sex chromosome. The thread-like structures present inside the nucleus of every cell called chromosomes. All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in nuclei. of their cells. Two chromosomes out of these are sex chromosomes known as X and Y. A female has two X chromosomes, whereas a male has one X and one Y chromosome. Sex of the unborn child depends on whether the zygote has double X or XY chromosome. Hormones and other than sex hormones. Pituitary gland secretes growth hormone and other hormones. Function regulates normal growth of a person, regulate functioning of thyroid, adrenal, production of testosterone, estrogen by ovaries. Thyroid gland hormone thyroxine controls body metabolism. Lack of thyroxine causes goiter. Sufficient iodine in diet prevents goiter. Pancreas hormone is insulin, controls carbohydrate metabolism. Lack of insulin causes diabetes. Adrenals hormones are adrenaline, maintains correct balance of salt and water. It helps the body to adjust to stress due to anger, worry, or other situations. Metamorphosis. The change from larva to adult is called metamorphosis. In insects, metamorphosis is controlled by insect hormones. In frog, metamorphosis from tadpole to adult frog is controlled by thyroxine hormone, which is produced by thyroid gland. Thyroxine production requires the presence of iodine in water. Nutritional need of the adolescence. Adolescence is a stage of rapid growth and development. Hence, the balanced diet is very important at this age. Your balanced diet means that the meals should include protein, carbohydrate, fat, mineral, and vitamins in required proportion. Personal hygiene. It is more necessary for teenagers because the increased activity of sweat glands makes the body smelly. So, daily bath is necessary. If all body parts are not washed or cleaned every day, the chances of bacterial infection are more. Girls should take special care of cleanliness during the time of menstrual flow.